There are still some QA engineers who are fighting for and advocating for manual testing. In the age of AI coding and developers getting so many new tools, what are we going to do? Have you already started to think about what are you going to do as a QA engineer in the age of AI coding? I see my developers getting left and right different tools, different softwares, different AI agents to help them go faster. And the engineering managers, the QA managers, they're asking, okay, what is the plan to not be the bottleneck as a QA engineer as developers are pushing out more and more PRs, pull requests, because they're going faster. If we think that we're going to be passing off the work of QA to the developers, we are sadly mistaken. Or either that, or we are just writing off our own jobs. I think that we need to actually start being more resourceful, more insightful on what can we do as QA engineers to find the same type of tools that engineers are using to go faster, but for QA. Instead of saying, all right, we're going to need to do this manual process, that manual process, stick to the regular automation process that we use. No, that's not going to work. I've been telling you guys for the past however many years, you need to learn automation. And now we're about to get past that stage. You still need it, but we're about to get past that stage. We need to be figuring out what are our agentic QA options. Because if the developers are using agentic AI coding tools, we need to be finding out and starting to prepare ourselves for agentic QA tools. How can we better decide what to test, when to test it, how much to test? How can we still validate and verify that our applications that we are responsible for are working properly without taking tons and tons of time? When you're doing like web testing, you're testing the new application or the new feature in multiple different browsers, but then you're also doing regression testing in multiple different browsers. See, typically automation has been used for regression testing to make sure whatever was working before didn't break. But then it would also take a lot of time. In manual testing, it also takes a lot of time. So we need to figure out, we need to start planning. What are we going to do to be more decisive of what tests should be ran and how frequently they should be run? So I think that we need to get past this conversation of, oh, manual versus automation. That's gone out the window. We should have had our automation tests written a very long time ago. And now we need to start orchestrating and say, okay, based on, let's make smart decisions based on what's happening in the code base. We need AI to be able to scan the code base, scan our test, and see what should be ran, and then tell us, oh, there's not coverage available. We don't have any coverage for this. So we need to go and actually test this and put the proper testing procedures here, and also tell us what are our current risks. The same way that we see engineers can use AI to push out code really, really fast, we need to use AI to help us assess our risk faster and protect us from pushing out code really, really fast. And I think now, like, we need to start the conversation. We need to lead, not only start it, but we need to lead the conversation, because if we don't say anything, we are going to be on the outside looking in, and it's going to be an absolute disaster. We are supposed to be the gatekeepers of the software and of software quality to make sure that it is working as expected. So we can't be the ones to just let things happen. We need to start being strategic, because if we say, oh, we're just going to keep the same exact processes, it's not going to work out for us. So we need to lead. We need to be QA engineers, figure out new solutions, find the new tools out there so that we can bring it back to our teams. All right, cool. This is how you guys are going to work. Well, this is what we're going to need. And your company, like a lot of times the people, QA engineers say, there's no, they don't value us. Well, you know what? If you want to be valued, bring valuable solutions. So many times QA engineers can be seen as the negative Nancys. No disrespect to Nancy, because I think Nancy's a really nice person and a very nice name, but negative Nancy, right? So my thing is we should put ourselves in the position to say, hey, company, we see that you're moving in this direction. Well, there are also these tools to help us validate, and help us to measure our coverage and to decide which tests should be ran based on these scenarios. And this is what we're going to have to do to get there. If you just say, oh, well, we don't trust this, we don't trust that. We need to have a modicum of trust, and we need to start building out these platforms. So I think that it is in our best interest as Q engineers, because I'll tell you this, if you let the engineers figure it out, then what use will you be? So take the lead, take the initiative, start researching today. What are the agentic QA tools that we can put in place so that we can still continue to validate? We have high quality in our product, but we're not taking forever. It's one of the biggest gripes against QA. They take too long. Well, if you want to add value, find out a way to make it better and faster. That is your job. And if you don't like it, then guess what? They'll just find another you who does like it. And then where you're going to be. All right. But that is it. Think about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you feel that I am off on this? Do you think that it is not your job and you don't even like AI? Like I'm going to stick to my guns. I am going to continue to manual test. I don't even want automation. I'm going to continue to manual test because it is manual testing or nothing. Let me know your thoughts. All right. Anyways, I'm going to get out of here, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do me a big favor on your way out. If you have not done so already, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know every time we go live and drop new content, as we'll go to techcoachdrive.dev. Join us, become a tech barbarian. Let's run it up together. Join us for Vibe Coding Show. Join us for Scrum Night. Catch all of our amazing contents and plugins that I have over in the Patreon for you. Check it out today, techcoachdrive.dev. But until next time, friends, family, TechCoach, we are out.
Tired of the same results. Tired of looking at the scoreboard and always being on the wrong side. Something's got to change. It starts now. Yeah. Woke up, tasted ash in my mouth, same four walls, staring at a life heading south. Bank account's a joke, looking like a typo. Stuck in the loop, a vicious psycho. Taking L's like they were complimentary. My whole existence felt elementary. Stuck in first gear, spinning wheels in the mud. Drowning my potential in a half-hearted flood.
Same excuses, different day. Promised I would change, then I look away. But the pain is staying just the same. Got heavier than the guilt, hotter than the flame.
Something snapped, a switch got flipped. Tore up the old plans, yeah, the whole damn script. Looked at rock bottom, said I ain't coming back. Time to build a new road, time to get on track.
I was done with the losing, done with the pain. Done with standing still in the pouring rain. Now it's focus, discipline, a brand new vision. Wrote a new life, made a new decision. No more looking back, the old me is dead. It's all about the hustle, all the steps ahead from the ground up. Watch the new man rise, yeah, I'm building my win right before the rise.
The alarm clock rings, it's 5 a.m. Old me hit snooze, but I ain't him. Lace up the sneakers, pavements, my new priest. While the rest of the city still sleeping on the beach. Turning notifications off on the phone. Can't build an empire if you're never alone. Got my mind right, tunnel visions engaged. Felt like I was locked up, now I'm breaking the cage.
It's the small habits, stacking them tall. Reading to new pages before I even ball. Every rep in the gym, every dollar I save is another tombstone on my old self's grave. They say, man, you change, you ain't the same. You're damn right I'm not, I just rewrote the game. Focused on the mission, the traded short-term fun for the long-term joy. I was done with the losing, done with the pain, done with standing still in the pouring rain. Now it's focus, discipline, a brand new vision. Wrote a new life, made a new decision. No more looking back, the old me is dead. It's all about the hustle, all the steps ahead from the ground up. Watch the new man rises, yeah, I'm building my win right before their eyes.
And now the wins, man, are starting to stack. That opportunity I missed, I just got it back. The projects I quit, now the ship in live. The ideas in my head, now they're set to thrive. My whole circle's different, check the new crew. It's mentors and builders, people seeing it through. This ain't luck, this is crafted, this is by design. This is sweat equity, making what is mine.
The mirror looks different, see the fire in the gaze. No more fog, no more walking in the blurry days. It's a chapter 2, the resurrection's begun. The old me lost the battle, but the new me won. This ain't just a phase, man, this is life change. Rearrange my whole world, stepped up to a new stage. Yeah, from zero